Have you ever wondered about the power of natural remedies to support your immune health? Well, let's embark on a journey into the world of elderberries, an unassuming yet potent berry that has been revered for its exceptional immune-boosting properties. These small, dark berries have a rich history, used as a traditional remedy in many cultures across the globe. From the Native Americans who employed it to treat infections, to the ancient Egyptians who used it to improve their complexions and heal burns, elderberries have been a trusted ally for health and wellness throughout the ages. Fast forward to today, these powerful berries have made a seamless transition into our modern health landscape. They are readily available in various forms, from capsules and syrups to gummies, making it easier than ever to tap into their myriad of health benefits. As we can see, elderberries have been a trusted ally for immune health for centuries. So, what makes elderberries such a potent tool for immune support and overall health? Well, for starters, elderberries are renowned for their ability to strengthen the immune system. They're like little warriors, helping your body fend off infections and viruses. But their power doesn't stop there. They're also packed with antioxidants, which act as a protective shield, warding off harmful free radicals that can damage your cells. Ever caught a cold or the flu? Elderberries have been shown to reduce the severity and duration of these pesky illnesses. And for those with respiratory issues, these berries can be a breath of fresh air, easing symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and sinus infections. When it comes to heart health, elderberries play a supportive role by lowering cholesterol levels and improving circulation. They're also anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce inflammation in the body. Now let's talk about skin. Elderberries promote skin health, assisting with conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. And for those with sensitive stomachs, these berries can soothe upset tummies and promote regularity. But what about your bones? Well, elderberries have got them covered too. They contain vital nutrients that support bone health and help prevent osteoporosis. Lastly, if you're looking to manage your weight, elderberries can lend a helping hand by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing cravings. Clearly, the health benefits of elderberries are vast, making it a formidable ally in your health journey. Now that you're familiar with the benefits of elderberries, how can you incorporate it into your daily life? Elderberries can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. You might savor them in a syrup, relish a refreshing tea, or opt for convenient supplements. Remember, the key is to source high-quality elderberry products for maximum benefits. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even whip up an elderberry remedy at home. With elderberries, you have a natural, potent tool to support your immune health and overall well-being. So why not give it a try today?